Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a bit of nostalgia by showing you how to connect a VCR to your modern Roku TV. Whether you're looking to relive old memories or digitize some precious tapes, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Step 1. Gather your equipment. Before we begin, make sure you have everything you need. You'll obviously need your Roku TV and your trusty VCR. Additionally, grab an RCA composite cable, the red, white, and yellow one, and possibly an HDMI cable if you want to connect through a converter box. Step 2. Locate your TV's inputs. Next, locate the input ports on your Roku TV. Most Roku TVs have multiple HDMI ports and at least one set of RCA composite inputs. These are usually found on the back or side of the TV. Step 3. Connect the VCR to your Roku TV. Now, take your RCA composite cable. Match the colors, yellow to yellow, white to white, and red to red, connecting one end to the corresponding outputs on your VCR. Step 4. Power up and select input. Power on your VCR and Roku TV. Using your Roku TV remote, navigate to the input selection menu. Look for the option that corresponds to the RCA input you connected your VCR to. Select the correct input, and voila! You should now see your VCR's output displayed on your Roku TV screen. Step 5. Adjust settings and enjoy. If necessary, adjust the display settings on your Roku TV to optimize the picture quality. This might include adjusting aspect ratios or enabling any preferred picture modes. Now, you're all set to enjoy your VHS tapes on the big screen. Whether it's classic movies, family videos, or old TV recordings, you can relive those moments right from your Roku TV. Conclusion. That wraps up our guide on how to connect a VCR to your Roku TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.